What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video on affiliate marketing with Kartra. Now, as you kind of, I don't know if you did see it, but my last video, my previous video was on affiliate marketing. You know, driving it to a website or driving it to a landing page, and I kind of spoke about in the video about how important landing pages are and how I use Kartra for it all, right? And so when it comes to affiliate marketing, like there's so many different platforms that you can grab links for, right, and promote products. Some are physical products, most of them are digital products, um, and you can make a commission from it all, right? And so when it comes down to it, it doesn't really matter the marketplace. Like as long as you can find your niche, like I talk about in that video, it's so important to have a niche, to be fired up about something, right? To have a passion, to have an interest in something. That's going to allow you to really find as many products as possible and not only be an affiliate marketer, but actually build a brand around it, right? Actually build something around it where your whole entire audience, they know you for talking about that, right? Like hopefully my whole thing is online entrepreneurship. That's what I'm trying to bring on my YouTube channel. That's what I'm trying to bring to all the people in my community, right? Is online entrepreneurship, how we make money online, right? So no matter what platform or what marketplace, you know, I want to promote certain products from, at the end of the day, it's all the same. It's all the same. And so Kartra, they have their own affiliate marketplace in here. So if you come into Kartra, you click on my affiliate promos on the bottom left, just like ClickBank, just like JVZoo, just like Amazon, there's the marketplace. You can come in here, click on marketplace, and this right here, you'll start to see this part of Kartra really explode in 2020 and beyond. This right here is where I believe they're putting a lot of time, a lot of energy in, because as Kartra grows, as you become a user of Kartra and you start to create landing pages and sales funnels and membership courses, you can take that material, those assets is what we call it, whether it's a digital course or your sales funnel, you can take those assets, put them here on in the marketplace on Kartra and sell them. And you can sell them. And who's seen this marketplace? All the people that are on Kartra, which are tens of thousands of people now on Kartra. So all the users that are on Kartra that actually log into a Kartra account, they can come in here and see the marketplace and they can buy your shit. They can become an affiliate marketer of your shit. Like whatever your product is, you can get other people to become an affiliate, and you can also be an affiliate from these other products. So these services, these products and services that are in here, they're all from Kartra people. Okay, they're all people that use Kartra, and at the same time, they're all willing to have you become an affiliate. So you can either be an affiliate of theirs, or if you have your own digital product, these people can be an affiliate of yours, and other people can be your affiliate as well. You can give your link, you can customize a link for anyone, you know, to be an affiliate. They don't have to be a Kartra user to sell your digital stuff. um, and neither do these people, but I'm saying that when it's listed, when you have a product that's listed on here, most of these people are Kartra users, and they just simply put whatever course they created, for example, they park it on the marketplace. And so now other people on Kartra, they can see it, they can purchase it, or they can become an affiliate and simply go and promote it. And so up here you have all markets, and then you have internet marketing, health, beauty and fitness, self-help, and personal development, parenting, family and children, sports, and this list keeps growing. There's going to be a lot of different categories that come onto Kartra, into the marketplace. And so in here it tells you 25%, 10%, 40%, spectate unlimited. Let's see what this is. We can visit the sales page. We can become an affiliate. So look, I can visit the sales page, or I can become an affiliate. Let's visit the sales page real quick. I'm going to reveal why some real estate investors are getting explosive growth early in the new decade, while others are barely scraping by and still working on their first deals. This right here is the sales page. This is a Kartra page, and it's a long sales form. They click on this, get free trial, So automatically they're offering some type of free trial, long sales page, long sales page. See, look, so what this is specifically is a monthly subscription that you have the ability to promote as an affiliate. And let's say you got someone on this monthly plan, you would make a monthly commission. Those are the affiliate offers that I love. I love the ones that pay me residually. That's why there's not too many products on even on Kartra. There's not too many products on ClickBank. There's not too many products on Amazon Associates that I care to really promote. Because what I want to promote are things that I'm already talking about, things that I'm already fired up about, things that I'm passionate about, which is online entrepreneurship, right? Making money online, right? So that's my whole niche. That's what I'm fired up about. That's what I spend my day doing. And so I'm looking for products and services in that space. And so, yes, I can simply go to ClickBank and find all kinds. Like I can come to Kartra. I can come to Kartra and let's go. We're in the business. Let's go to internet marketing and e-commerce. And I can come in here and I can look at all these different products that I can also promote to my list, right? The reason why I don't do it too much is because it's a lot of times it's a one-time commission, right? It's a one-time commission, and that's really it. Where I want to spend my time is on that residual side. So I'll promote Kartra as a system, as a tool, as a software. As an affiliate marketer, I'll promote Kartra because Kartra is the entire platform that pays me monthly. A lot of these affiliate offers don't pay monthly. Some of them, that one that we just clicked on, it looked like there was a monthly subscription. So damn, if there's a monthly subscription, then I'm willing to bet for sure that company is willing to pay you monthly as well, for sure, for sure. If you brought in that customer, if that was your referral, right, that person clicked on your affiliate link, you get a commission. And if the offer is a monthly offer, make sure you get a commission on that as well. That's what it's all about. It's that monthly commission, man. So I just wanted to kind of go over the affiliate marketing side of Kartra. You can come in here, passive income creation bootcamp. Look, I can click on this. I can visit the sales page. I can also click on this and become an affiliate. So if this was an offer that I really want to, get behind and promote, let's take a look at the sales page real quick. Passive income creation bootcamp. Okay, so bootcamp for those who dare to have more ease and money in business. So it looks like an actual week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. What would it take to bring my register here? 120, 3 calls. So $120, 3 calls. Me as an affiliate make a commission on that 120, which would be 20%. So that's what I'm saying, man. 20%. Let's just say that's the actual commission. So 120 times 20% commission. My commission is $24. So how many of those do I need to sell per day to make a good income? And if it's only a one-time commission, I got to do that. I got to do that every day. That's affiliate marketing for you, man. That's Amazon, that's ClickBank, that's JVZoo, that's all these different platforms. You're making 20 to 40 bucks to 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 100 bucks, depending on how expensive the product is. This product is 120. They're paying me 20%, right? That's why I love digital courses. That's why I got into digital courses, because I was looking at affiliate marketing from the very beginning. I'm like, dude, how do I make money online? Stumbled into affiliate marketing, stumbled into Amazon Associates, stumbled into into ClickBank, stumbled into ClickFunnels. And so I'm like, dang, ClickFunnels at least has it right, where they're getting everyone fired up to promote the software, and they're paying the affiliate a monthly commission. Like, that's powerful. That's when I fell in love with it. I'm like, dude, I can build a residual income and get fired up about software or products and services that I'm fired up about, because in my niche of online entrepreneurship, that's what got me going. And so when I started looking at other offers and other platforms, and I'm like, dang, okay, that's a one-time commission. It's going to take me the same energy to pour into a one-time commission as it would a monthly commission. Let me just focus on monthly commission platforms and offers and go from there. And so till this day, you guys, now all I have is on the affiliate side is my Kartra. That's really where I really bank on every month is my Kartra. Almost at the 5-figure mark. My last commission was like 600, for the month on Kartra. So coming into January, coming into 2020, my whole goal is just to get that number bigger. And the way I look at it, man, here's where I'm gonna end it. The way I look at my YouTube money, the money that's coming every month from my YouTube channel, the way I look at that income and the way I look at my Kartra affiliate commission income, right? Because I have my full-time business on top of all that. That's why I don't spend a whole lot of time looking at all these different offers, because it's not really my full-time thing. I'm focused on, again, the monthly. You can come over here, promote Webinar Jam and Ever Webinar. Look, I can visit the sales page. I can become an affiliate. And all these webinar jams, all these people that are doing courses, all these people that are sending people to a webinar, you can promote this link and make an ongoing monthly residual commission or an upfront commission, promoting good services, man, promoting good products and services. But what I'm saying, man, at the end of the day, is that I knew that I can create my own and sell my own. And so everything is in stages, man. You want to start small, start where you can, just freaking start, whether you have to, come in here and grab a bunch of different offers and build an email list. That's what my last video was talking about, the importance of a landing page and the importance of building an email list, because that's who are going to get your offers. That's who you're going to be able to promote these offers to, is that big list that you've spent the last 2 years building. But at the end of it all, man, it's all the same thing. You got links for all these different random products. Just make sure that it's in that niche that you're fired up on. Make sure that you're not burning your email list. Don't send your email list some stuff on cats if it's an email list that only loves dogs. You know what I mean? Like know who these audiences that you're building, and know what products you're offering. And I can't stress enough how important it is. If you're going to build something, you need some type of software, landing page, email autoresponder, Kartra. Get onto Kartra and start promoting Kartra to everyone you know. Because that income alone, man, my YouTube income, my Kartra income, that income alone is almost enough to pay my entire overhead. Almost enough. I truly believe in the next couple months. So whenever you're watching this video, I'm cutting this video in January of 2020. I truly believe in the next couple months, my Kartra affiliate commission money, and that's by promoting the software, promoting Kartra, not necessarily promoting these products in here. Okay. Although these products, I'm sure there's a ton of great products, and you can find some great products in here to promote to your list. But I promote the entire system. So I truly believe the power of affiliate marketing is there. The power of residual income is there. And so my Kartra income, my YouTube income, YouTube is a form of passive income as well. I make these videos once and I'm monetized on them every day. Every day I'm getting a little bit. Every day I'm getting a little royalty on these videos that I'm producing every single day. And so where I plan on having my YouTube check, my monthly residual check that continues to grow every month, and then where I plan on having my Kartra check, because all I do is talk about it on my YouTube channel, where that's going to grow in the next couple months. I truly believe those in the next couple months, those two in the next couple months will offset my entire overhead. And it's not like my overhead is a lot anyways. I mean, but shit, rent, gas, groceries, kids, wife, all the shit that we got to pay for, man. I'm telling you, if you can build a couple incomes on the side that will throw that off, that's when you could be doing it. That's when you can really focus on your business and really take your business to different levels, because it's not about the money. You got the money already taken care of with these other streams of income. And that's why on my YouTube channel, I'm not looking to be a freaking crazy famous YouTuber. I'm looking for that to cover my nut. If that can cover my monthly nut, this residual income that I can build from this channel, and that can cover my monthly expenses, and then my affiliate marketing, which I'm telling you, go after residual commissions, right? That's my Kartra. So if I can have that cover my expenses, I'm telling you, man, that's when you're in a good position. All right. So 2020, you guys, I wish you guys nothing but the best. Step your game up. This is affiliate marketing inside of Kartra. You can grab all these different products and promote these, or you can even promote the actual software and make a crazy monthly income on that as well. So hopefully that helped you guys. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, smash the bell for notifications, and drop me a comment below. Let me know where you guys are coming from, man. Let me know what type of business you're building online and how I can bring value to what you got going on. I'll see you guys on the next video. Over and out.